Hello, friends. Welcome back to Fun and Story-Based Lessons. Today's lesson is called Weekend Routine Conversation. In this video, you'll listen to a natural and relaxing English dialogue between a man and a woman talking about their weekend, from slow Saturday mornings to peaceful Sunday afternoons. It's the perfect way to learn new English words, everyday expressions, and practice listening naturally. So sit back, relax, and let's enjoy this weekend together.
Good morning, sleepyhead. It's already 8.
8? That's early for a Saturday.
Not for me. I've been up since 7.
Of course you have. You're always full of energy.
I just love quiet mornings. I made coffee and pancakes.
Pancakes? Now I'm awake.
Laughs. I knew that would work. Come on, breakfast's ready.
You're the best. Wait, did you add blueberries?
Of course. Fresh ones from the market yesterday.
Perfect. This is why I love weekends, slow mornings, no alarm, and good food.
And no work calls.
They sit at the table.
So, what's your plan for today?
Hmm. I was thinking of mowing the lawn, maybe washing the car.
That's ambitious for a Saturday.
Well, I didn't say I'd do it all at once.
Smiles. Fair enough. I was planning to clean the living room and do laundry.
Let's do our chores in the morning so we can relax later.
Deal. Maybe we can watch a movie tonight?
Or go out for dinner.
Even better.
Late morning routine.
Okay, time to get moving. I'll start the laundry.
I'll take care of the garden. It shouldn't take long.
Don't forget to wear your gloves. The rose bushes are sharp.
Yes, ma'am. You're like my weekend supervisor.
Only because you need one.
Half an hour later, the garden looks much better now.
Great, I just finished folding the first batch of laundry.
I'll go wash the car now.
You're on a roll today.
I know. Maybe I should get an award for Best Weekend Worker.
Laughs. You'll get one if you make lunch.
Challenge accepted. Afternoon lunch. Around 1 p.m. Lunch is served. Spaghetti with homemade sauce.
Wow, that smells amazing. You really made this from scratch?
Yup. Fresh tomatoes, garlic, basil, and a bit of olive oil.
I'm impressed. You could open a restaurant someday.
Only if you're my first customer.
Deal. Now let's eat before it gets cold.
They eat together.
I love how relaxed weekends feel.
Me too. No rush, no meetings, just time for us.
After lunch, I might take a nap or read a book.
Good idea. I'll probably watch a football match.
As long as you keep the volume low.
I'll try, but no promises. Evening walk. Around 6 p.m.
Hey, the weather's perfect. Want to go for a walk?
Sure, let's go to the park.
I love walking there at sunset. Everything looks golden.
Yeah, the light is beautiful. It's our little weekend tradition now.
I like that. Simple and peaceful.
Plus, it helps digest all that pasta.
Laughs. True.
They walk quietly for a while.
Sometimes I wish every day felt like this.
Me too. Calm, slow, and full of small joys.
That's why weekends are special. They remind us to breathe.
And to appreciate what we have. Saturday night.
What do you want to do tonight? Movie or dinner out?
Let's stay home and watch something cozy.
Sounds good. I'll make some popcorn.
And I'll set up the movie. How about a comedy?
Perfect. We could use some laughs.
After the movie. Tea. That was hilarious.
I know. I haven't laughed that hard in weeks.
See? Staying home was the right choice.
Definitely. Let's get some rest. Maybe tomorrow we can go hiking.
Good idea. Another weekend adventure awaits.
Good night, Tom.
Good night, Emma. Sunday morning.
Rise and shine. It's another beautiful day.
Do we really have to get up this early on Sunday?
Come on, we're going hiking today. You promised.
All right, just give me 5 more minutes.
You said that yesterday, too.
Laughs. Okay, I'm up. Let's pack some snacks and water.
I already did. You just need to grab your hat.
You're always one step ahead.
That's how we make weekends count.
Thank you for watching and practicing English with us. Weekends are the best time to rest, reflect, and recharge. And also a great time to learn English in a fun way. If you liked this video, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to watch Lesson 1, Daily Routine Conversation if you haven't already. See you in the next lesson. Office Day Routine Conversation. Goodbye and happy weekend learning.
Goodbye, happy weekend.